Hello guys, it's been a while now. I want to say sorry for not posting. I have been up to things all summer and it's been very hard to try and find time to record. So I'm sorry. But today I'm trying something new that I haven't tried before, if you haven't noticed. I'm using my own voice for this video instead of that AI voice. This is my new rod, by the way. It's the Abu Garcia Tormentor. Boom! It's a small perch. Here my line got very tangled up. I had to cut it at the end. I took my bike into the city to fish there instead. I switched place to under this bridge because I caught yak shit in the city.
Ja.
Another small perch.
Ja. Åh, fy fan vad liten.
This was most likely the smallest perch I have ever caught. But that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching this far, and leave a like and subscribe please, or follow me on TikTok. Everything helps. And if you think I should keep posting with my own voice or the AI, please comment below. See you next time.